come.
Yes, you will hear a beating heart. Not all the walls are beating heart.
Think it's heavy, we hold it from there down?
He's getting big now.
Yeah. Kid, look at the camera. Over here. Over here. Kid. El murciélago. El murciélago. Say hello. Hello. Hola. Hola. Hola.
Why you not talking, Kit?
Kid, talk.
Why you not talking now, Baba?
Hola. Hola. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look.
Pato. Pato, mommy got a present for you.
I gave him the ends of the chicken wing.
Most brothers.
Pick her up, delivered into your right hands, and with a small fortune.
Where will the exchange take place?
I will take you there.
Sure wounds are too slow. Go back to war supply. This is my affair.
I too have unfinished deeds. I go to face the horde one last time. Kill me if you must. I will not tell you the place.
Go on. Kill him. The Garrett's crossing it in your way.
The girl speaks truth. But there are details of which she is unaware. If it's the vessel you want, you'll be fools to refuse my help.
I care nothing for this so-called bone vessel.
He tried to get my finger instead.
I would rather saw my left arm off and be done with the both of you than work with this pig for speech.
Kid.
Your days are numbered, Shadow Child. It is I who should refuse to come to you.
She is not controlled by the shadow.
If you kill
He just trying to get me.
God has got to meet to each of you for all and over purpose.